Hey there, 8th grade students, parents, and families. I cannot believe that it's time for you to leave Elkin Middle School. This class will always be very special to me. You were my first 7th grade class at Elkin Middle School when I returned as principal. It has been an honor and a privilege to serve as your principal over the past 2 years. One of my most fond memories of this group is from the lunchroom. Do you remember your daily dose of inspiration from me each day as 7th grade students? It just seemed fitting that I give you one more dose before turning you loose for the summer. I hate so badly that this is a video and I can't actually hear the collective sigh from all of you as I begin, even though, deep down, I know you love this. None of us could have predicted the outcome of this school year. Had we been able to do so, our goodbye the day before spring break might have been much different. Perhaps we would have cherished what time we had this school year just a little more. The games we did get to play might have been that much more competitive. Maybe our outlook then would have been different if we knew about now. While we can't change our situation, we can choose our attitude. When life gives you lemons, make lemonade, right? Well, for our current situation, I'd like for you to think of yourselves as oysters. That's right, oysters. According to Live Science, a natural pearl begins its life inside an oyster shell when an intruder, such as a grain of sand, slips in between one of the two shells of the oyster and the protective layer that covers the pearl's organs called the mantle. In order to protect itself from irritation, the oyster will quickly begin covering the uninvited visitor with layers of a mineral substance that fashions the oyster shells. Layer upon layer of mineral substance, also known as mother of pearl, coat the grain of sand until the iridescent gem is formed. Each one of you has the power to take an irritant, something negative, and transform it into something beautiful, just like the oyster transforms the grain of sand into a pearl. What an amazing, magnificent defense mechanism. As I reflect on your time over the past 2 months, I think about how you've taken remote learning and turned it into something positive. Thank you for working hard, being patient, and flexible during this time. Thank you for seeing that without determination, resilience, and grit, there would be no pearl. Continue to set that example for those around you by embracing the diversity of this challenging time. With these traits, there's no limit to the difference that you can make in this world. I can't wait to see where your journey at Elkin High School will take you. Before concluding this morning, I have the privilege of presenting a few awards. First, I'd like to recognize all students with perfect attendance during the 2019-20 school year. Congratulations to Jade Bravo, Maggie Hall, Macy Lane, Alejandro Lopez, Caitlin Luster, Joshua Ramos, Lily Robbins, and Ruthie Toriente. Congratulations to each of you, and thank you for your commitment to education. Next, I'd like to recognize students on the A Honor Roll. These students maintained an A average for the entire 2019-20 school year in all classes. Congratulations to the following: Maddie Bledsoe, Gretchen Brooks, Gabby Cox, Sarah Darnell, Tyler Jenkins, Macy Lane, Giovanni Lopez, Luke McComb, Molly Meyerhofer, Kylie Price, Smith Ray, Aisha Sanders, Madison Spicer, Nolan Stainback, Leah White, Morgan Wiles, Kaylee Witherspoon, Jade Bravo, Miles Klein, Kendall Eads, Esteban Hall, Maggie Hall, Owen Jennings, Kayla Ledbetter, Caitlin Lester, Lucian Mertiers, Braden Oliver, Avery Pence, Lily Robbins, Lily Sartain, Granger Teachy, Maggie Tomlin, Mallory Wall, Sophie Welburn, Madison Douglas, Sophia Marcial, Jalissa Pineda, Erin Caudle, Emma Golden, Valeria Guzman, Rhiannon Hincher, Liam King, Alejandro Lopez, Cheyenne Minton, Lennon Ortiz, Riley Rice, Alexis Scott, Amanda Schaffner, Dana Shaw, Lydia Teachy, and Abby Thomas. Congratulations to our A Honor Roll recipients. The last award that I have the privilege of naming is the Spirit of the Elk Award. Here are some things that the teachers had to say about the recipients. These two students have followed our school slogan this year, Be a Champion. They consistently go above and beyond to be great people. They are kind to others, helpful, and considerate. Both of these students demonstrate good moral character. They are trustworthy, honorable, and caring. They help fellow students when they are in need, and even though they are not loud and rambunctious, they leave a lasting impression on those around them. Congratulations to Amanda Schaffner and Erin Caudle on the Spirit of the Elk Award. This concludes my portion of the award ceremony. As I stated earlier, it has been an honor and a privilege to serve as your middle school principal. I hope you all have a wonderful summer. Be sure to keep in contact with me, and remember that I'm here for you. I cannot wait to see all of your wonderful accomplishments over the next 4 years at Elkin High School. I love you, and I miss each of you like crazy. I can't wait to see you again.